IEEE BTS is dedicated to educating members to bring them up to date on the latest broadcast technology throughout the world. The cutting edge research that is done is always shared with the members, and it's a great way to connect with on what's happening in the industry.
BTS's membership is more practicing engineers. The majority of practicing engineers in the broadcast field probably don't have four-year or PhD or masters. They may be trade school graduates. They're technicians, not necessarily engineers. And we want to make sure that that group is served.
The IEEE BTS is probably one of the best kept secrets in the technology side of broadcasting. It has elevated my understanding of advanced technology as it relates to broadcasting. This has allowed me to become more of a resource to others that have questions about technology that is evolving that they're not quite as familiar with. So it's elevated my standing as more of a thought leader in the industry versus just being a participant.
I think that's a big advantage of having chapters all over the world, where you can get together with these people either electronically or in person and understand what their challenges are and see if they can help you with your challenges as well. And that's something that I don't think the Society of Broadcast Engineers or the NAB certainly can offer. So that's kind of unique to our society. We are concerned not only about domestic issues, but really issues that affect everybody on the planet.
The outlook of younger people is a lot of them would like to get involved with having a meaningful participation in an organization. And I think one of those areas that the IEEE is good in with, and also BTS, is the humanitarian aspect. One of the things that normally happens during either a natural or man-made disaster is the communication systems are lost. Even when the cell sites go down, the cell phones don't work, the radio and television broadcasts are still there.
Certainly joining as a student is good. It's inexpensive to do. And then continuing that membership on through your professional career. By offering scholarships, we're encouraging students who are interested in the higher level engineering degrees to consider broadcasting as a field of interest and a potential career path. That's been, been one of the drivers for the Jules Cohen Scholarship, which we instituted a couple of years ago.
As far as getting your first job, a lot of companies participate in this organization. So you can get the feel of what a path you want to take, whether it's RF or IT now with the ATSC coming and production or radio. You can meet people here. Professionals have been here for years, through the technologies.
Attending the IEEE BTS symposiums as a member allows me to directly communicate with industry leaders and those who develop the products and solutions that I need to understand and implement.
The top benefits of being a BTS member would be coming to this event, the IEEE event, and listening to all the industry experts and being able to collaborate with them and understand where the industry is going. So there's a lot of interesting things going on with broadcast, with ATSC3 and some of the repack.
The broadcast industry is a very exciting business, and we're going through a lot of exciting changes. ATSC 3.0 will help by opening up the platform to deliver new services. We can do more multi-channels. It will allow doing 4K or HDR video. So we'll have a better video quality experience, a much more engaging audio experience, but also with digital being integrated, we can do interactivity for a more personalized experience. You can do shopping, polling, and we also have advanced emergency alerting where we can do a lot better job at alerting the public during crisis and emergencies. We can put a lot more on the screen that's interactive. We can target down to the zip code. So if there's a tornado that's coming into a certain part of town, we can target to those areas and not broadcast it to the whole market.
Covering local events is much more efficient to do with a drone than with, say, a helicopter. You can launch the drones a lot quicker, obviously a lot less money, and you get real-time feedback. The other is of the technical measurements that you can make with drones. One is making RF measurements on patterns of antennas that can be done very efficiently with a drone. Another use for drones is to look for imperfections in transmission lines using an infrared camera on the drone. So you're looking for thermal abnormalities on the tower transmission line. This lecture program is one of our real strengths within the society. We have a number of experts, subject matter experts in the field, different fields of broadcast technology. And we, as a society, send those people upon request to local chapters. I think broadcasting still offers some very unique ability to get to the most number of people in a very efficient manner. It takes very little power to broadcast a signal that can be absorbed by millions of people at once. You can have 5 or 10 watts of RF power that can reach several million people.
5 years from now, I envision the world of television as being much more of an app-based experience, to where the consumer has a lot more choice on what device they want to watch their content on and what content they want to watch.
BTS membership, you get the transactions and the publications is certainly an advantage to read those and find out what's going on.
It's good for your career path. It's a great, if nothing else, into your CV if you're applying for jobs. Gives you a good peer review organisation if you're looking for peer reviews. It's good for guidance for your career and young, exciting sort of organisation.
I believe the time is now to get involved in the BTS because the technology that we're involved in is evolving rapidly. What we see just over the horizon will be at our footsteps tomorrow, and no time like the present to get involved.